TBK career point. So here is an opportunity from Synopsys company, internship opportunity, Bangalore location. So company description is given above, we can see. So an aspiring engineer with a passion for C or C++ programming and problem solving. You have strong analytical skills, excellent communication abilities and detailed oriented mindset. You are eager to learn and contribute to innovative projects. Developing a software, improving software quality, providing feedback for tool improvements, participating in team discussions. So improving debuggability of the emulation tool, enhancing user experience, building your engineering career. So these are the things they mentioned. And what you will need: analytical problem solving skill, knowledge of C++ language, attention to details. These are the things they have provided. If you are interested to apply, you can click here. The link is provided in the description box, and share to your friends also, and like the video without fail for better reach. Thank you all.